here's a must-have tool whenever camping, is a shovel. And whenever you roll up to any campsite and you see one of these things around here, it's just a great idea to just take your shovel and, like, step one, put it in your hand, get a firm grip, like a man. And then you take step two and you stick it into the ground, right? And then you get this what this is pot ash. So it'd be nice if, like, the county would come and scoop this up and take it out on a regular basis. But we can't expect too much from taxable entities. So unlike these non-taxable entities. So we just take this right here, and we can either go little technical difficulties. We still roll it.